Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the BoxyCharm Base Box for the month of January. I'm a little nervous to open this box. Last month there was a little confusion and I'm hoping that this month we're back on track. So if you're interested to find out what's inside, then stay tuned. For those of you that are unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a multi-tier beauty subscription service. This here is the base box. It is $25 a month. You receive 5 beauty products, and one of those items you're able to choose for yourself. So without further ado, let's look inside. So in your box, you will find a card, and every month has a theme, and January's theme is Fresh Start. And after last month's box, we need one because I received the November base box instead of the December one I should have gotten. So hopefully this box puts us back on track. But this card will have a complete listing of items that are in the box, a brief description, a retail value, and also a variation code down at the bottom. They've changed their variation codes instead of just being numbers to being letters and numbers. Not sure why the change, but you'll find that in the bottom corner. So let's see what our Fresh Start box has inside. So the first item I see on the top is the item that I chose for the month, and this is from Laura Geller. This is the High Def Glow Illuminator Duo in the shade Heart of Gold, and this retails for $33. Now let's take a look and see what the shades look like inside. So here we have the 2 different shades, and it looks like the shade on the left is called Shimmer, and this is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade is called Sparkle, and that is a high intensity sparkle. So let's see what they swatch like. So here we have the 2 swatched, and this here is Shimmer, and this is the low light, and this here is Sparkle, and this is the high intensity shade. So I'm not sure how well this is translating, but here we have Shimmer, which is the low light, and here we have Sparkle, which is supposed to be the high intense shade. So whether you like your highlights intense or a little bit more on the subtle side, one of these shades will work for you. I do have to say that in swatching these shades, they were a little drier than I would prefer, but overall, I can still attain a look that I'm looking for. And the next item I see is from Farmacy. This is their Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. This is alcohol free, it is 2% BHA, it gently exfoliates, deep cleans, and controls oil without overstripping. It's ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin. And this retails for $28. So here is the component. It is a very heavy glass bottle. It is frosted, and let's see if it has a scent. It doesn't really have a scent. This has moringa and papaya. I thought it might smell a little fruity, maybe a little sweet, but it really doesn't have a scent. So the next item I see is from Dr. Brandt, and this is his DNA, which stands for Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. And this retails for $82 and is a half-ounce tube. Now, Dr. Brandt's products and his brand, it's really well known. They make really good products, but $82 for an eye cream, for a half an ounce of eye cream. I know around your eyes you don't really need that much, but it's still a lot. So here's the tube, and like I said, it is a half-ounce tube. And let's take a look and see what the texture of this cream is. And I don't want to use too much, $82 for this. I kind of want to be careful with it. So here you'll see it is just a white based cream, and as I'm swirling it around, it is very, very hydrating. It does have a little bit of a scent to it. Kind of has the scent of maybe medicinal herbs, I guess you could say. It's not a bad scent. It's very, very mild, but it is a very, very nice texture, and it does kind of sink in a little bit, but it still feels very, very moisturizing. So the next item I see is from Balm, and this is their Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm, and this retails for $33. This has essential oils of sweet orange and coconut, which give the lip balm a citrusy tropical aroma and a silky smooth consistency. So here is the top, and you'll see it is just a little angled spout here, and there is the actual balm. Let's put that on the back of my hand. So the texture is quite nice. It's not greasy and it's not sticky at all. The scent, I don't really smell the orange. I smell a little bit of the coconut, but it's not overpowering. It seems quite nice. I think it'll be a good addition to my evening routine. And the last item in the box is the palette. And this, unfortunately, is not the palette I was hoping for. I was really hoping for the Violet Voss palette. But either way, I received a palette, and it was from the January box, so I guess I have to be happy for that. This is the Ciate London Velvet Eyeshadow Palette. This retails for $30, and this is a new launch for Ciate. This features a mix of hyper metallic soft shimmers and velvety smooth mattes. So here you'll see the 12 pans, and it's a really, really pretty palette. It has a nice texture to each of the pans, and I don't know, even though I was looking forward to getting that Violet Voss palette, I'm kind of looking forward to dipping my brushes in here and giving them a try. But before I do that, let's swatch some of these shades. So here are all 4 of the top row shades, and you'll see there isn't a lot of pigment. There is a lot of shimmer and shine, so using this top row as maybe a topper I think would be most beneficial. So here is the second row, and this had quite a bit more pigment. I can definitely see using these as shadows by themselves. It is really, really a nice palette. I think the color story is really nice, and the texture of these are really, really soft, which kind of surprised me for a Ciate London palette. Here you see the 4 on the bottom row, and once again, really nicely pigmented, nice shine. The texture of these shadows are really soft and creamy, and I'm really looking forward to using this palette. So this is everything that I received in this month's box. Overall, I'm really surprised how much I enjoyed the Ciate London palette. I do have another palette from them. It is the Editor's palette, and that, unfortunately, I didn't care for. The formula was a little bit too dry for me, but this one is a little bit more my speed. I'm also really enjoying the Dr. Brandt eye cream. We all have areas that we would like to improve, and my specific one is the eye area. So regardless of whether that improvement is big or small, I'll take it. So I want to thank you all for watching and helping me unbox the base box for January. And if you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as it really helps my channel grow. And until the next unboxing, which I'm hoping will be the premium box arriving sometime soon, hopefully, I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.